Welcome to southeast New Mexico, very near Carlsbad Caverns, a seemingly desolate landscape, an area most would consider wasteland. In reality, it's an area teeming with wildlife. Rare, endangered plant life, Native American archaeological sites, and caves. There is a hidden world under our feet, an oasis for the desert dwellers that call it home. Here in the high desert northeast in Eddy County, New Mexico, the land is pockmarked with caves. Like Swiss cheese, the passages twist and turn. Many have never been fully explored. Unlike the nearby famous Carlsbad Caverns, these caves see far less attention and therefore less protection. Many cave researchers are trying to change that, but in the meantime, keeping rapidly developing infrastructure from collapsing into caves and local industry workers safe has become a priority, while work is being done in the background to protect these caves long term. Today we are following members of a geophysical consulting company, speleologists is the term used for cave researchers, as they explore and map a cave very close to active oil operations. They worry that further progress might impact the cave, but to have a better understanding of the cave, they must fully explore and map it. A sump is where the cave passage is filled with water, forming a lake, and further exploration is halted unless the lake is dived. Karst is an area characterized by its many sinkholes, fissures, underground streams, and caves. Karst topography generally occurs in areas of carbonate and evaporite-rich bedrock, such as limestone or gypsum. These types of rock are easily dissolved and form caves readily. Groundwater can easily be contaminated in karst areas. Already, many caves in the area are being impacted. Many caves get drilled or trenched into, which is very dangerous for the equipment operators above if the cave collapses under them. Cases of such have already been documented in the area. It's important for the workers' safety, as well as the environment, that we only put new infrastructure in the correct locations, avoiding caves and karst. Thankfully today, we have the knowledge and technology to check these areas before they are built on. We have trained karst surveyors who can survey these areas. We have resources such as resistivity studies and ground-penetrating radar that can tell us more about the subsurface, including if there are cave-like voids. On some public land, this is already a legal requirement of the land manager, but there are still large gaps to be filled in karst awareness. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to protect these aquifers and other sensitive resources. We owe it to the owls, mice, and bats that call these places home. With an impending shortage of fresh water in humanity's future, we cannot risk contaminating our groundwater through mismanagement of these resources.